Here's a new 2025 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and V8 engine. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.